She said that we were bad. She said that we were bad. I thought I'd better go alone. Once till I was gone. Oh girl, you look so
sad. I wonder if you still think about me. Like, do I ever cross your mind? You know what I'm saying? All the good times, all the bad times. Keep it being, there was more good than bad though, you know? That's how I feel. I ain't gonna lie. I think about you. I never stopped for real to keep it being. So this is my chance to go ahead and let you know. Let's fuck the bullshit. Forgot the past. Let's figure out what's happening now. Man. What's up, miss? It's been a minute since we kicked it. Got a lot on my mind. I was wondering if you got time to talk. Let's walk, let's shop for a minute. Help me clear up the air on some past bullshit. Maybe for clarity, closure, or something we can revisit. Hope to be eye to eye, hand the mic, grip tight shit. First thing I wanna say, I never lost hope. And I always think about you, I love you. Passion I had and still I have. My addiction to you's no joke. Even though you left me open arm, both shoulders broken, did you? I don't know, was it real or was it a show? Is that a yes or a no? I need to know how to cope. I feel like low key, nobody want us to be together. And we ain't worked on us enough to prove it was forever. I take most of the blame for that. I'm a man, I'm so saline. But your mind I can't read, so if it's in there, you gotta speak up. Myself, I don't know what else to say. 2 kids on my own, now there's another on the way. Wanted to focus on you, couldn't get out my own way. Now my heart torn to pieces, mind has no clarity. Vision I have for us, blurry and it's scary. I assumed you would've left me if I told you all that's happened. But I assumed without asking, so I'm asking, does it matter? Would you have stuck with me through everything that's happened? Can it be me and you and nothing else matters? Do we still got time or did I miss my chance? Let me know, I need one more dance. Used to love it when you get loud, only way we get down. I know you spot me in the crowd, I know you felt me then, but do you feel me now? I'm better now, my mind's in a better place. Let's finish what we started, I'm ready to win this race. Give me one more chance, music, and I promise I won't change. Huh?